So building a routine. So it's like building a schedule for yourself. All right. So first you build a schedule and then it turns into a routine because you've done it for a period of time. Right. So I'm going to talk about how to make yourself a schedule. All right. And just make it very simple on yourself. So a schedule is just things you do in a day. All right. And all you're trying to do is doing them consistently. So it turns into a habit, which means you do it without thinking about it. Right. So what you want to do is just start out Monday through Friday, first off. All right. Don't worry about the weekends. Just start out with 5 winning days. All right. And the easiest way to do it is just say, what do I want to accomplish? What are 3 things that I want to accomplish in the day? All right. And whatever they are, you're going to put them in there. So it could be, I'm going to eat breakfast every morning. I'm going to work out. And number 1, I'm going to do something for me. Let's put it that way. All right. Or it could be, I'm going to be off work by 4 o'clock, whatever it is, whatever that thing is that you really want out of your life. So what you're going to do is you're just going to pick based off of those 3 things. And some of them could be big. Some could be, it could be like, hey, I want to play golf every day. That's 4 hours of my day. Right. So that's a big chunk. Right. So I'm going to have to understand, I'm going to have to schedule other things around that to support that, right? So obviously if I want to play golf 4 hours a day, I might have to get up earlier then, right? I can't get up at 12 and then go to bed at 9 because 4 hours of my day are gone, right? So think of it this way. You pick a start time when you wake up. You pick up a bedtime when you're going to sleep. That's it. So that's the first step. Pick those after you got your 3 things you want to accomplish. And then all you're going to do is when you wake up, what are the things I'm going to do? You just write them down. What are the things I want to do? It could be as simple as I'm going to brush my teeth, get dressed, and eat a breakfast. And it could be I'm going to eat an egg, whatever you want to do. Same thing. It doesn't matter. You're just trying to start out doing stuff in order. All right. And then from there, you're going to put in what time you're going to do those big 3 things, right? So whatever the big 3 things is, the most difficult one needs to be earlier in the day, right? And then as you go throughout the day, if things get thrown off a little bit, it's okay, right? You don't have to accomplish everything. You just have to accomplish those 3 things. So those are the things you're really trying to protect. And then at the end of the night, you look and say, did I accomplish these 3 things? Yes or no? If it was yes, then be like, my win of the day was this. What was the win? And if it's no, then the next day you're going to look and say, what do I need to change in my schedule to allow more time? Do I need to get up 10 minutes earlier? Who knows? You have to look at this stuff. And that's how you build a schedule, because you always have to build a schedule before it becomes a routine. Because remember, a routine is just a schedule that you've been doing long enough to keep it consistent. And then a routine turns into a habit. So that's the levels of everything.